Computing. So this is a Visual Basic application made to calculate easily effective resistors when they are connected in parallel. We've seen that if resistors are connected in series, so we don't need such application to make the calculation. You just add the value of the resistor that are connected in series, and then you get the value of the effective resistor. But when the resistors are connected in parallel, it's a little bit difficult, not very difficult, but it should be very interesting to help students to make such application to calculate the effective resistor of parallel resistor. You physics teachers in Africa, or wherever in Africa, at Addis Ababa, at Bujumbura or Brazzaville or Lesotho, Johannesburg or at Kano, you can make this application. Visual Basic is something that is one of the computing programming application very used at school to integrate computing in physics. So here we can calculate up to 5 resistors connected in parallel. That's very interesting. And so we get the value of the resistor here, R1, R2, R3, R4, and then R5, all are in ohm. That's the units of resistor. It's just enter the value of R1. I can have 500 ohm. 400 ohm for R2, 350 for R3, 450 for R4, and then 550 for R5. And then you just press calculation button and you have the value of the effective resistor of this connected in parallel. Student can't make mistake when doing this thing, and when you teach, when you use such method to teach, you make them dream, you make students dream, and it's very interesting for them. And let the kids dream and use physics to develop their mental and to imagine a new career when learning physics. That's very important in Africa to develop our continent. So you press a new button, and then you can enter a new value as you want. 54, 60, 80, 70, and then 75. And then I press calculate button, and then I get the value of the effective resistor. Something very important to know here is the effective resistor of the resistors in parallel. The value of the effective resistors is small than the smallest of the resistor. Okay, so the value of the effective resistor is small than the smallest of the resistor. The smallest among all these is 54. So we get the value of the effective resistor, that is 13. This is something you have to keep in your mind to verify systematically your calculation. Okay, it's not difficult. I think in at transforming stage, teachers must be able to create such application and to help students to do this. Indeed, it needs some period of training, a short period of training, and teachers can do the Visual Basic application. I think it's very simple if you have to develop it for this kind of application. So I encourage you to use such physics teaching methods wherever in Africa. Thank you.